Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture of GK. Today, we will do lesson number 24, Indian Cinema. Now, here we will come to know about our Bollywood. Now, the question is, who directed the 1913 film Raja Harish Chandra? Now, the film Raja Harish Chandra was directed by Dada Saheb Phalke. Second question. Which of these Indian scriptwriters translated the plays of the famous authors Bertolt Brecht and Gogol? Now, the name of the scriptwriter is Ritvik Ghatak, who directed the Deepika Padukone starrer Chapak about an acid attack victim. Now, the name of the director is Meghna Gulzar. Fourth question. Dharma Productions is an Indian film production company owned by who amongst these? Now, the Dharma Productions is owned by Karan Johar. Other options given are Ram Gopal Verma, Boni Kapoor, Mahesh Bhatt, and Karan Johar. The answer is Karan Johar. Now, the fifth question. Who starred in the 2020 film Tanhaji, the Unsung Warrior? Now, in this film, the unsung warrior is Ajay Devgan. Sixth question. Who directed the 2019 film Andhadhun? The director of this film is Sri Ram Raghavan. Now, the seventh question. Vishal Bharadwaj's 2014 film Heather was an adaptation of which of these Shakespearean plays? Now, the name of this Shakespeare's play is Hamlet. Now, the last question. Which of these is a 2019 film starring Ranveer Singh? Now, the answer is Gully Boy. Now, children, we come to lesson number 25, which is autobiographies. Here, the question is write the names of the authors of these autobiographies using the help box. Now, children, in the help box, the names of the authors are written: Michael Jackson, Helen Keller, Stephen King, Maya Angelou, Saina Nehwal, Dalai Lama, Anne Frank, Barack Obama, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Adolf Hitler, Nelson Mandela. Now, the first one is Moonwalk, and its author is Michael Jackson. Some of you must be familiar with this name. He is an American singer, songwriter, and dancer, and most predominantly known as King of the Pop. Second one, Long Walk to Freedom. The author of this autobiography is Nelson Mandela. Now, Nelson Mandela is a South African anti apartheid revolutionary, and he served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Third one, the name of that autobiography, Playing to Win. Now, the author of this autobiography is Saina Nehwal. You must have heard about this name also. This name must be familiar to you. She is a badminton player and she has won over 24 international titles, and she is one of the topmost leading badminton player in 2015. Now the fourth one is Playing It My Way. The name of this autobiography, this has been authored by Sachin Tendulkar. All of you must be knowing about Sachin Tendulkar, Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. He is a well-known cricketer. Now the fifth one, The Diary of a Young Girl. This book, this autobiography is written by Annie Frank. Now the sixth one, Dreams from My Father. Now the author is Barack Obama. Next one, seventh, Mein Kampf. The author of this autobiography is Adolf Hitler. He was a German politician and leader of the Nazi Party, and he became the Chancellor of Germany in 1933. Now the eighth one. Now the name of the eighth autobiography is On Writing a Memoir of the Craft. The author is Stephen King. Ninth one, I Know Why the Caged Birds Sing. The author of this autobiography is an American poet, Maya Angelou. 10th one, Freedom in Exile. The author is Dalai Lama. And this is Dalai Lama's second autobiography, published in 1991. His first autobiography was My Land and My People, published in 1962. 11th one, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. He is the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and he was an Indian lawyer. The 12th one, The Story of My Life. This one, the author is Helen Keller. She is an American author, and she is the first deaf blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Now children, we come to the footnote. George Orwell's homage to Lonia is the personal account of his experiences and observations as a volunteer soldier in the Spanish Civil War. The present the work presents a vivid and passionate picture of the initial revolutionary stages of the war. Now, George Orwell is again a famous author. He has written the book Animal Farm. Now, children, you copy down the answers, and then we come to lesson number 26. It is fictional character. Fictional characters means characters which are imaginary. Now, this lesson is in the form of match the columns. Match the names of these fictional characters with the books. Now, on one side, the name of the characters are written, and you have to tell in which book these characters appear. That means you must have good knowledge about literature. The first one, Annabeth Chase, Grover Underwood. These two characters appear in Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. Now, this book is written by Rick Riordan. It's an American fantasy adventure novel based on Greek mythology. Second one, the name of the characters are Mr. Bucket, Willy Wonka. Now, these two characters appear in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is the name of the book, and this book is written by Roald Dahl, a British author. And this book was written in 1964. Now, the third one, the name of the characters are Pip and Stella. They appear in the book Great Expectations. This is a famous book written by Charles Dickens, and this is his second novel. The first novel which Charles Dickens has written is David Copperfield, and this book, David Copperfield, is narrated in first person. Now, the fourth one, Jacob Black and Bella Swan. These two characters appear in the book Twilight. This book, Twilight, is written by Stephenie Meyer, an American novelist. Stephenie Meyer is an American novelist. Now, fifth one, Jacob Marley, Ebenezer Scrooge. These two characters appear in A Christmas Carol. This book is published in 1843 and written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens has also written Ghost Stories of Christmas. Next one, Peter Pevensie and Aslan. These two characters appear in the book The Chronicles of Narnia. This is a fantasy novel written by C.S. Lewis, and C.S. Lewis is a British author. And this book was published in London between 1950 and 1956. Now, the seventh one, Shylock Portia. Now, this character, Shylock, was a Jewish moneylender, and these two characters appear in William Shakespeare's book, The Merchant of Venice. It's a 16th century play written in 1596 and 97. Shakespeare is a very famous English author. Now, the last one, Katniss Everdeen, Peeta Mellark. These two characters appear in the book The Hunger Games and written by Suzanne Collins, published in 2008. Now, children, I have told you about the books, their authors, and the years of their publications. Children, you hear them properly and keep a note on them. Next, Roman à clef is a type of novel in which real people or events appear with fictional names. It is derived from the French for novel with a key. Means real characters are there and they have been given fictional names. This style of writing dates back to the 17th century, where well-known real people were more or less thinly disguised as fictional characters. Means real character को उन्होंने डिस्गाइज कर दिया, उनको दूसरे कैरेक्टर के फॉर्म में फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर के फॉर्म में उनको स्टोरी में प्रेजेंट किया है. और रोमन ए क्लेफ इस टाइप के नॉवेल्स है जिसमें रियल कैरेक्टर्स को डिस्गाइज्ड कैरेक्टर बना के उनको स्टोरी में रखा जाता है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, यू कॉपी डाउन द आंसर्स and then we come to lesson number 27, first in Indian cinema. Now here also it's in the form of match the following. Match the first with their record holders. First one, first actor to play a double role. Now the first actor to play a double role is Anna Salunke. Anna Salunke is an Indian actor and cinematographer. He is the first person to do the role of heroine in Indian cinema. And he has done double role in Lanka Dahan, role of both hero and heroine. Now we come to the next one. First Indian to win an Oscar for lifetime achievement. Now the name of this person is Satyajit Ray. He is a Bengali film director, writer, and he has written famous films like Pother Panchali and Shatranj Ke Khiladi. The third one, first Indian 3D film. Now the first Indian 3D film is My Dear Kutti Chathan. Next one, fourth one, first film to have won an international award. It is Sita. It won gold medal at the 3rd International Exhibition of Cinematic Art at Venice in August 1934. Now the fifth one, India's first indigenously made color film. This is Kisan Kanya. Now this film, Kisan Kanya, was directed by Moti B. Gidwani in 1937 and it is starred by Padma Devi and Ghulam Mohammed. Now the sixth one. First Indian film to be directed by a female director. And this female director is Fatima Begum. The answer of this question is the first Indian film to be directed by Fatima Begum is Bulbul e Paristan. This is a film produced in 1934 and the word Paristan means fairy land. The seventh one, first Indian to win an Oscar. It is Bhanu Athia. Next, first Indian film to be nominated for an Oscar in the foreign language category. This is again a famous movie, Mother India, produced in 1957, and it's the story of Radha casting Nargis, Sunil Dutt, and Radha is a woman who struggles to raise her children while going up against a greedy moneylender. Now, I think you have gained much knowledge about Indian cinema. We come to the footnote. The first feature length film released in India was Shri Pundalik, a silent film directed by Dada Saheb Tome at the Coronation Cinematograph in Mumbai. Now, children, you copy down the answers and then we come to the current affair questions. Now, the first current affair question is, who built India's first indigenous drone defense dome, Indrajal? The answer is Greeny Robotics in Hyderabad. Next one. Who became the new Director General of All India Radio? It is N. Venudhar Reddy. Third one. Recently, which country has been declared malaria free by WHO? All of you must be knowing WHO is World Health Organization. Now, World Health Organization has declared China as malaria free. Next one. Give the full form of UAV. The full form is Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. Fifth one. Who is the Union Minister of Home Affairs? It's Amit Shah. Sixth question. What is the summer capital of Uttarakhand? It's Gairsen. Seventh question. What is the winter capital of Uttarakhand? It is Dehradun. Eighth question. Which country celebrated its Independence Day on 4th of July? It's the United States, USA. Ninth question. Who will be the flag bearers for Tokyo Olympics 2020 at the opening ceremony? Now, the flag bearers will be Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. Now we come to the last question. Who will be the flag bearers at the closing ceremony for Tokyo Olympics 2020? It's Bajrang Punia. Now, children, you write all these questions and then send your work. Thank you, children.